In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription through the settings and billing section of your account. Managing subscriptions is an important part of budgeting and keeping track of your expenses, so knowing how to easily cancel when you no longer need a service is vital. First, let's start by logging into your account. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need those to access your account settings. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard or home screen. From here, look for the Settings icon or the Account Settings tab, often found in the upper right corner of the page. It could be represented by a gear icon or simply labeled as Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, the next step is to find the Billing or Billing and Subscription section. This is usually found as a subsection under Account Settings. Take your time to look through the options listed there. This section is specifically tailored to give you information about your payment methods, billing history, and most importantly, your current subscriptions. When you've located the Billing and Subscription section, click on it. This will take you to a detailed page showing all the services to which you're currently subscribed. Here you'll see details like the subscription names, billing cycles, and next billing dates. It's crucial to review these details carefully to ensure you're selecting the correct subscription you'd like to cancel. Scroll down and you should find a section labeled Manage Subscriptions or something similar. Click on this and you'll be presented with a list of your active subscriptions. Now locate the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Double-check this selection to avoid accidentally canceling the wrong service, as this could lead to disruption in services you still intend to use. Once you've identified the subscription, find and select the Cancel Subscription button. It might be highlighted or marked clearly for ease of access, but sometimes it could be a simple link at the bottom of the subscription details. Clicking this will initiate the cancellation process. Most services will require you to confirm your cancellation choice. They do this to prevent accidental cancellations and to provide you with the opportunity to reconsider. You might be presented with a short survey asking why you're canceling. Feel free to provide any feedback, though it's usually optional. After confirming your decision to cancel, you'll receive a confirmation message, often via email. This will serve as a record that your subscription has been successfully canceled. It's always a good idea to double-check your billing statements in the following months to ensure you're not charged further and to keep the confirmation email for your records. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage and cancel your subscriptions, helping you maintain control over your financial commitments. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides like this one.